Hi, my beautiful people. How are we doing today? How are we doing today? Hope we are great. Allow me to welcome you with a lot of love, a lot of love. Thank you for always joining in. Thank you for always being present for the session from the very first second to the very last one. Thank you for coming through, and definitely each and every single day I do appreciate you for coming through, supporting me, loving the stream, giving me the vibes. Thank you very much. Okay, so today is another day, another beautiful and amazing day. Let us dive straight into it without wasting any time, any second. Let us dive straight into it and we see how the day is going to go, how the market is going to behave. We have to analyze the market together. So come through. Let us chat here and there. Let us see how everything is going to go. Today we are going Niger. So my beautiful people from West Africa, hi, how are you doing? Hope you are doing great. Hope you are doing great. Okay, so let us get it started. Let us get it started. To each and every one of you, you are most welcome. Happy to have you around. Happy to see you once again. If you are new on the stream, please let me know. Send in a hi, send in a message. Let me know how you are doing, how everything is moving. Okay, let me know. Send in a message, and of course, do not forget to hit that like button for me and subscribe as well. Like I keep saying, we are to grow together, build our journey together, and we have to stick together. So come through. Let me hear from you. Let me hear from you. Okay, I'm saying as Sadesh. Hi, how are you doing? And we have someone from Sri Lanka. I think this is not the first time. This is not the first time we are getting someone from Sri Lanka. Thank you very much for joining in, for joining through. All right, I have IK over there. I am great. I'm doing great. How are you doing yourself? And there comes a plus. Look at that. We have started off on a good note. Right, just working on something small here, then we go ahead, we proceed. All right, my beautiful people, I am back. I am back. I was trying to sort out something, some network issue, but here we go. There, I have placed in a cell position. Let us have it. Let's go. Beautiful vibes, beautiful energy. Let us forget about anything that wants to distract us. So let's go. Let us dive straight into it. Profits after profits, all right? Positivity all the way. So let's go, let's go, let's go. All right, that is Enoch. I am here, my dear. I'm here. I've sorted out everything, so I am back. All right. Okay, a blessing. Thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you. You know, in a way, I do not know, but Those people's music is magical. I'm telling you, I did not know, but it is very nice and I like it. Okay, let's go. That is an amazing plus over there. Let us keep it going. Positivity all the way. Okay. So as we proceed through the stream, Brent oil OTC, that is the pair 300 USD, the amount that I have put for trading today. 15 seconds, that is my time expiry. Okay, right. Okay, Aitana over there. Hi, how are you doing? How are you doing, my beautiful? Hope you are doing great. Hope you are doing okay. Hope you are shining. You are winning. And definitely that goes to each and every one of us. Let me hope things are moving okay. Things are moving in the very beautiful direction that we hope for and believe for in this new year that we started. And to those that I have not yet wished a happy new year. Happy new year to you. Let us enjoy this year together. Let us vibe together. Let us learn together, win together. Definitely do not forget to hit that like button for me and subscribe as well. Let us keep it going, vibing, beautiful energy all the way. Let's go. Okay, so as I was saying, it is Brent oil OTC. And for those that see OTC and you keep asking yourself, what is this? What is this? OTC simply stands for over the counter. And to us, that simply means we are dealing with an open market. This is a market that gives us an opportunity to have trades each and every single time we are able to. You know, it is that kind of market where you can have as many different trades in a particular day, days, weeks. Let it be uh, the fact that it is an open market, depending on our timing. You know, there are people who probably maybe have other businesses that they do in a particular period of time. It does not restrict you. Get this particular time, even if it's a weekend, the market is open, so we have that opportunity to keep trading. Weekends, public holidays, probably maybe when some of you are at home relaxing over the weekends, public holidays, make some money. So let's go. So that is OTC. Okay, so over the counter, that is what we are talking about. Let's go. Okay, Louis over there. Hi, how are you doing? On my end, Lena is doing great. I'm so very fine. And trust me, whenever I see you, my beautiful people, come through, chat with me, my day is done. Even if I had a bad day, when I come alive here, we chat, you people talk to me, I feel loved. I feel a lot of wins, positivity. It dresses me up. So thank you very much for always coming through. I really do appreciate you. Okay. Okay. All right. So tell us why you take a trade when you take a trade. First of all, I am using trend continuation, trend reversal. Okay. So for my trend continuation, trend reversal, this is what I look at. Here we are looking at higher highs and higher lows. That is for the uptrend. For the downtrend, I'm looking at higher lows, lower lows, lower highs. Definitely right about there. What I'm looking for, I look for a pullback. Okay, I look for a pullback. So that is what I look for. That is what I look at, and then I place in my trade. All right, because a pullback gives me that confirmation, then also a candle close gives me that confirmation that right about now, let us enter into the market, let us place a trade. So basically, in most cases, since I'm using trend continuation, trend reversal, that is what I look for, that is what I look at. Okay, okay. Hi, Tana over there. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. And trust me, I also appreciate it that way. Okay. I'm saying Sanchez. Hi, Sanchez over there. How are you doing? Yes, Enoch, that is what I will do in a short while, all right? Because it will help us, people who are trying to learn a few things here and there. It will help us see that, okay, first of all, this is the pair that we are using. This is these are the indicators, this is the strategy that we are using. So I am definitely going to do that, and I will be letting you know when I have uploaded it on my channel, Telegram, wherever I can spread that information. I will do that. Okay, so don't you worry, I will share it. Okay, my darling. My darling. Okay, Gomez over there. Hi, how are you doing? Hope you are doing great. Thank you for coming through. Thank you for joining in. Okay. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I really do appreciate you. Look at Madonna over there. Look at Madonna over there. Hi, how are you doing, girl? Hope you are great. Hope you are doing okay. You are amazing. You know, this year is all about being winners, staying positive, making sure that we achieve all that we set for it. So, right? So, let's keep it smooth and let us get there. Right. Okay. Definitely after that, a pullback. We have a placed in our sell position. Look at that. That is amazing. That is amazing. Okay. Let's go. Okay. Okay, that is Lethabo. Hi, how are you doing? First of all, hope you are doing great. Right about now, we are using the alligator indicator, right? That is backed up by the MACD indicator. Thank you, Henok. Thank you very much. Okay. I never see this one, babe. Okay, let us have that. Machine gun, 16 rounds. Beautiful! Look at that! Look at that! profits after profits, pluses after pluses. Beautiful and amazing stuff happening here right about now. Trust me, trust me, trust me. Chatting with you, my beautiful people, listening to my beautiful music over here. Life is great. I feel all is well. Okay, thank you very much. I always do appreciate you. We have brothers and sisters from all over Jamaica, India, Sri Lanka, Egypt, Nigeria, South Africa, US, UK, everywhere, all over the world, Pakistan, everywhere. Thank you for joining in. And Henok is from Ethiopia. Look at that. So, thank you for joining in. Thank you for always locking in from the very, very first second that we come live to the very, very last one. So much love to each and every one of you. Okay. All right. And saying Shake over there. Hi, how are you doing? Hope you are doing great. Thank you for coming through. That is a sub position over there. Let us have it. Okay. We are crossing below. Right about now, we were in an uptrend. That is a plus for us over there. Look at that. That is great. Okay, Shake is doing great. That is amazing to hear from you. Thank you for joining in. Do not forget to hit that like button for me and subscribe as well. A big community for me is an amazing one. All right, so keep hitting that like button for me and subscribe as well. Let us build this together. Let us learn together. Let us grow together. Okay. Hey. Let's go, let's go. Right now, if you can see, we are in a consolidation state. Ooh, are we? Right about now, we are deciding which direction to take. It looks like we are breaking above. Look at that. Okay, so uh when we are in a sideways direction, that is what we call consolidation state or direction. That simply means the market has not decided whether to move in an uptrend. That is, an uptrend is a bullish or a downtrend, which is a bearish. And on very many occasions, I would advise for you to place in a trade, you need to have specified the um, the market direction, okay? Because there it becomes easy. Thank you, thank you, thank you, Letabo. Thank you very much. Look at that. Voila. I've come to believe and understand. I think there is nothing I love doing more than what I'm doing right now. That is what I've confirmed, and that is what I know. Trust me. Coming here, chatting with you people, we are making our money, vibing, positivity all the way. Oh, Okay, that's good. That's good. That's good. That's good. Thank you for appreciating. I try. I try. Because at the end of the day, we all come from different places. So at times when I pronounce someone else's name wrongly, please pardon me. And then there comes a plus for us. Okay, pardon me, but it is done out of too much love, right? So thank you for appreciating. Blessing, I will always compliment you. Thank you very much. I really do appreciate. You are called blessing. Please stay blessed. Stay blessed. Always. Let's go. Okay. Right, right, right. We are in an uptrend right about now. You guys should come through and right there comes Kenny John, right of Plastin, author position over here. Okay, I love those spikes, like I keep telling you. Ooh, beautiful, beautiful, amazing. Okay, Kenny over there. Kenny Joan, hi, how are you doing? Thank you for coming through. Thank you for joining. You got Lena. Once another a time, another day. This is a beautiful one, an amazing one. So let us stick together. Let us have this together. Let us build it together. Let us win together. Amazing stuff. Just okay. No rush, no stress. That is very, very true. And once you know and you are sure of what you are doing, no rush, no using emotions. Do what you do best. Let us make the money. Go home, rest, chill. All right. I have a friend who keeps saying, make the money and sip that mojito. So let's make the money. Let us enjoy it. All right, no rush, no rush. Aitana says so. Okay. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I really do appreciate you guys. I do appreciate you. Okay. Abdallah over there. Hi, how are you doing? Okay. Thank you. That is Martinez. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Frank is asking the time frame. Okay. For the candle, that is 5 seconds. Then for the time expiry, that is 15 seconds as well. 15 seconds and 5 seconds for the candles. Okay. All right. An amazing day. A way to be successful. Think positive, stay positive, move positive. Okay. Ah, yeah, yeah. Mm. Yesterday, one of our beautiful friend over here had asked me about the alligator indicator. Okay, so I was trying to explain, but at the same time, I was doing our donations, so I did not give her so much time about it. So let me say something short or small about it. So for the alligator indicator, right on the chart over there, you are looking at those three lines. We have one line that moves um, the fastest moves, the second one moves in a medium way, and the other one is the slowest. So the blue one is the slowest, the orange one is medium, then the green one is the one that moves fastest. And of course, not forgetting that we are trading binary options, okay? So that's why I'm looking at fastest, slowest, okay? Because at the end of the day, what we are doing here, it is done for a short period of time. It's not um it's not like when we are having the other trades, let me say like crypto, something like that, the timings are different. But in binary options here, uh sorry, in binary options, here we look at very, very short times. That's why I keep telling you it is very risky. It is very risky. So um it is very, very risky, but we get profits out of it. We are able to make something out of it, and because it is highly risky, that's why we put in something small to avoid blowing our accounts. Okay, so I was still explaining the alligator indicator. See my shoulder. Okay, so when the green line crosses the orange and the blue line, when it tends to cross, meaning we are getting ready, we should be getting ready to place a trade. When it crosses, there is a confirmation that okay, right about now, probably maybe we should place in a trade, or we have a confirmation for a particular trend that okay, we are still moving in this particular direction. The green line has not crossed. That simply means we are still in that trend. Say right about now we are in a downtrend. All right, so meaning we have that opportunity to place in a sell trade. But when we are crossing over, that gives us an opportunity to place in a buy trade. Okay, so for the alligator indicator, it basically gives us the direction of the market, then also the strength of the trend. That is what it helps us with most of the times. And trust me, in trading, the direction and the direction of the market and the strength of the trend, those are the things that we consider so much, because at least you know you are placing in a trade and you are very sure that here I have to get a plus, I have to get profits out of this, right? So that is the smallest I can say about it. Okay. Okay, there comes Dennis. Hi, Dennis. How are you doing? It has been a minute there. How have you been? Where have you been? Saj comes through. Hi, my dear. How are you doing? Hope you are great. Hope you are doing okay. And that is for Saj. So for the MACD, we are looking at 12, 26, and 9. Those are our settings, okay? Those are our settings over there. Okay. Oh, Frank is saying that he is ahead by 5 candles. What actually happens most of the times, it is the YouTube network. At times it delays a little, so you find that at times I am behind and some of you are ahead, something like that. But I'm really sorry about that. I'm so sorry about that, because at the same time we are supposed to be on the same page, seeing and analyzing everything together. That's how it's supposed to be. So for the chat time, that is 15 seconds. It's the same as the expiry time. Okay. Okay, Dennis, hi, how are you doing? Hope you are doing great. I have already uh checked out on you. Hope you are doing good. Hope you are doing okay. It had been a while ever since I'd heard from you, but thank you for coming through. Always a pleasure to see you around. Okay, so and for the new members who have just joined in, um, thank you for coming through. Do not forget to hit that like button for me and subscribe as well. Okay. Okay, thank you, Aitana. Thank you very much. Look at Marcel over there. Hi, how are you doing? Okay, so I use the alligator indicator. Okay, there are other indicators that someone can use. Okay, I use the alligator indicator and the MACD indicator. To me, it flows very well with the strategy that I am using. I'm using the trend continuation and trend reversal. So the fact that I am on trend continuation, trend reversal strategy, I need something that is going to help me identify the direction of the market, also also identify the trend strength. Okay, so that way I'm able to know, okay, right now after this pullback, this is a pullback, so I have a confirmation that I can place a trade, or right about now I have to wait, because in some cases it's you observe and then you might place in a trade, yet actually that is not the right spot for you to place a trade. So those two indicators help me confirm. They help me confirm that, okay, you are using trend continuation, trend reversal. So right about now, we have this confirmation. Place in a trade. Okay. So that is what I can say about that. Elizabeth over there, hi, how are you doing? Thank you for coming through. Happy to see you. Look at Silas over there. Hi, how are you doing? Happy to see you guys come through. It is so amazing. Okay, I'm seeing Sarah Zad. Oh, okay. All right. Okay. I'm going to be letting you know. I'm going to be letting you know. Okay. I'm going to be letting you know. Mhm. Mhm. Okay. Tayo Omi. That is Omilota. Hi, how are you doing? Thank you for coming through. Thank you for joining. Yeah, girl, Lena, you are saying you are new. You are most welcome. And trust me, you are in for the very, very right treat. Join in, hit that like button for me, and subscribe as well. Let us drive this together. Let us make sure that we get to the top of it. Okay, so thank you for coming through. You are most welcome. Okay, Muhammad is asking what strategy? Trend continuation, trend reversal. That is what I have today. I have seen Violet somewhere. Hi, how are you doing? On my end, trust me, I am so good. I'm so okay, so appreciative. Trust me. So right about now, let us get ready and dive straight into the donations. Okay. And like I keep saying, I trade, but for whoever I do that trade for, my people online are able to see that right about now we are trading for Marcellus. Okay, so we have the list of names on our different charts over there. We see exactly what is happening. Okay, so for the donations for our new people, this is where people send me their money, which I call donations, and I trade for them on our live stream. Okay, So the people who send in their donations are also live. So they are seeing exactly what is happening, what is going on. It is full of transparency, no hiding anything, okay? So allow me withdraw my own right about now. Then we get into the donations. Okay. Mm. Okay, so today we have Marcellus, Emmeline, Loretta, Kimberly, Thaddeus, Nakia. If you know you sent in your donation and you have not had your name, please let me know. Let me know such that we get straight into it. Okay, such that I add you on the list. Okay. Mommy Mary, no time. Okay, so Marcellus, 2000 USD, 2 attempts. Positivity all the way. We have started. We have started off uh with our donations, and our very first person is Marcellus over here. Okay. Okay, so for the expiry time is 15 seconds as well. We are looking for pluses, right? A positivity all the way. Look at that. Look at that. Okay. It gives me joy. Okay, so we have one more attempt to go for Marcella's positivity all the way. Positivity all the way. So let us have it. Okay. No delay. After all the things I present my love to you. Okay. During the donations time, a lot of attention. You know, I have to be so critical, so analytical, such that we get a profits. Okay. Look at Miles. Hi, Miles over there. How are you doing? Thank you for coming through. Thank you for joining in. I know it is you, my beautiful people who bring in the beautiful energy, the beautiful vibes, everything top notch. So, why not make the profits? Let us get it going. Right. Thank you, Elizabeth. Thank you very much. I really do appreciate you, Gomez. Thank you very, very much. Okay. No rush. No rush. That is a cheer from Elizabeth. That is very, very true. Mm. Mm. Right, Lethabo, please. Did you ask me something? Probably, maybe I missed it. Maybe I missed it. Maybe I missed it. Mickey over there, hi, how are you doing? Hope you are doing great. Thank you for joining through. And to my beautiful people, do not forget to hit that like button for me and subscribe as well. Let's have it. Okay. If you are my girl. Okay, end time, please. Tell me the platform you use for trading. That is for the platform that is Pocket Option. Okay, that is Pocket Option. Okay, I'm saying Jose Sanchez. Hi, how are you doing? Hope you are doing great. Right. Funds by. Thank you for coming through. Happy to see you once again. Happy to see you come through. You are welcome, my dear. That is end time. Always, always, I am supposed to give a response. And trust me, if I don't, probably maybe I have missed it. So please do not feel offended. Do not feel bad. Lena is here for each and every one of you. Trust me, trust me, trust me. Forever and ever. I really, really like it. Right, Tayo over there. No, my dear, I just love West African music. I just love it. Okay. Okay, let us go for our second attempt. You and I. Right, let us have a plus, a positivity all the way. Oh goodness, I've forgotten to tell someone who had asked me for when I'm placing in a trade. Look at that, we have made a profit. We have made a profit over here. That is for Marcellus. Congratulations, congratulations. So, like I said, after a pullback, okay, most of the times that is where I place because I have a confirmation, so that is where I place in my trade. That depends, it could be a sell or a buy. Okay. So sorry about that. I would have informed you when I was placing in a trade. I was just concentrating on making profits for Marcellus. All right, congratulations to Marcellus over there. Okay, that is Michael coming through. Thank you very much. Consistency, that is very, very important. Excitement kills. I'm telling you, you get excited, you get blown away. Okay, I'm saying Williams over here. Thank you for coming through. Thank you for joining in, and for the beautiful and amazing people that keep responding to a few questions here and there that probably maybe have not responded to. Thank you very, very much. Okay, Lethabo, no, I am not ignoring you, my dear. I'm not. But probably since you see that the the um, the um, the engagements or the chats are very, very many, probably maybe it passed by minus me seeing it. I'm just requesting that please resend it. Let me answer you. I cannot ignore any of you. I'm telling you. If I've not responded to your comment or to a question or something, just know it just skipped me. But all the time I always make sure that I come back to the chat section. However much I'm trading, I come back and respond to each and every question. Okay, so please, if I've missed it, my apologies. Resend it to me and let me give you the feedback that you deserve. Okay, so that is for Marcellus over there. Okay, Ethereum wallet for Marcellus. Congratulations. Okay. Thank you, thank you. Okay, so next we have Emily 350 USD for atoms. Silas says, midway reminder, protect capital. Capital first, profits follow. That is very, very true. That's why I keep saying trade small. However much you are making small profits, but trade small. That is beautiful. That is beautiful. That is for Emily. For our first attempt, we have 3 more to go. So trade small, make it perfect. Profits always come. Profits always come. Thank you, Silas, for that. Thank you very much. Okay, that is from World Star. Which indicator is this? This is alligator indicator that you are clear. That is the one that you are seeing on your chart over there. So it is the alligator indicator. Okay. I'm telling you, Marcellus over there has made his profits. Congratulations to him. Okay. Okay, Tayo, how can I learn from you? Lena, each and every single day, whenever we are live or whenever the stream is going on, we learn a thing or two. Okay, we learn a thing or two. Besides the video that I promised to make, we learn on the stream here. Then that video will also help us a lot to know how to do the setup on the chat. Okay, all right. I want the best. I want to carry my love away. Alright, that is by position. Let us see. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Amazing, amazing. That is amazing. Okay. That was a close. That was close. But look at that. Okay, so that is two attempts so far. We have two more to go. That's very true. That's very true. The patience, Elizabeth, the patience that you talked about. Trust me, we have to always be patient because you rush, you crush. Okay, so we take it one bit at a time. Okay, let us have it. Let's have a plus over here. We need a trend continuation. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Okay. Okay, voice is asking what is the best indicator for beginners? To me, because I've actually used the alligator indicator like forever, like forever. I've used alligator indicator. I've used a zigzag. Those two are my very I would say, and I would recommend those two because they help the fact that they help you in monitoring your direction, such that you do not just end up entering into the market or something. So it is the alligator indicator, the zigzag, and the MACD. Okay, so to me, I've used the alligator indicator like forever, like forever. So for me, that I would recommend that. Then the zigzag as well. Okay. Okay, so I am seeing funds by. All right. Let us keep it positive. Let us keep it positive, and we see. Okay, okay. Lethable, are you using one device? I'm actually using uh two. That is uh my my laptop and the phone. Okay, so I'm using two. Violet, thank you very much. That's where risk management comes in. That's where positivity keeps us going. Okay, so yeah, thank you for that. Amazing, amazing. Look at that. Look at that. That is amazing. That is amazing. Okay. So let us get to it. All right. Let us get to it. Okay. Look at that. Okay. Let's go. Let's go. Okay. Beautiful vibes over here. Look at that. Look at that. Right. Congratulations to Emmeline over here. Congratulations. Guinevere, thank you for coming through. Look at that. Look at that. Lavender over there. I see you. I see you. Thank you for coming through. Thank you for joining in. Happy to always see my old buddies come through. It's so exciting, Thank you for sticking with yoga, Lena, always. So too much love flies out to you. Okay. Thank you. The calmness and the confidence. Thank you very much, Lavender. Thank you. Okay. Bob over there, hi, how are you doing? Thank you for coming through. Thank you for coming through. That is a Bitcoin wallet for Emily. Let's go. Okay. Next is Lareta 500 USD to agents. Shalom. Hi, Shalom. How are you doing? Earth over there, how are you? Where have you been? Where have you been? Thank you for coming through. Thank you for coming through. Okay, Shalom. Thank you for coming through. Brian Obama. Hope you are doing great. Okay, let's go with Loretta over here. Okay, placed in our sell position over here. We are in a trend continuation. Let's see. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. So that is for our first attempt for Loretta. We have one more to go. Talk to me. Okay. We are looking for a plus over here. Oof. Look at that, look at that, look at that. That was a close, I'm telling you, that was close. Amazing. Congratulations to Loretta. I want it before. Congratulations to our very first winner so far of the donation. Congratulations. Okay. I'm telling you, that is Miles. Thank you, thank you. No rush, no rush. Clarity all the way. That's true, that's true. Positivity all the way. I'm telling you, I'm telling you. I don't know which way you go. You're already on my way. Okay. Okay. We are yet to withdraw into Loretta's wallet. Okay. That's where you go. Already on my way. Okay. Okay. Every to the already on my way. Okay. So that is for the rate song. We say things we don't mean. Okay, Ethereum wallet, that is for the rates as usual. Okay, Kimberly is next. For Kimberly, that is 1,500 USD. 2 atoms. Profits. Today, everyone should go with profits, really, Let us keep positive. Let's have it. Let us have it. That is a clear one. A clear one. Look at that. Amazing. That was a beautiful one. Okay, so we have one more item to go for Kimberly. Fingers crossed for a plus. All right. Somebody like you. Somebody like you. We say things we don't mean. Okay, I'm seeing someone called. Okay, we have Philip over there. Hi, how are you doing? Thank you for coming through. Happy to have you around. Kellan, how are you doing? Thank you for coming through yet to another session, yet to another stream. Thank you for coming through. Always Very, very excited to have each and every one of you here, right? Why could be the next day? Wasting nights when you won't be alone. Okay, one more attempt to go for Kimberly. Let us have a plus. We need a plus. Okay. Give us a plus of listing a buy position over here. Let us have it. Amazing, amazing, amazing. It's so beautiful and amazing. Congratulations to Kimberly. Congratulations to you, my beautiful, beautiful people. So far, all that I have traded for so far, we have profits. Congratulations, congratulations. Okay. All right, so over here we have someone joining in from Uganda. Hi, how are you doing? Then please stream schedule. Trust me, each and every single day, same time. Hit that like button for me and subscribe as well. Make sure that you are subscribed. You have subscribed. That simply means when you have subscribed, that simply means you are locked in. Every time before the stream begins, you receive an alert that the stream is about to start. Okay, so every single day, unless maybe unwell, that's when I do not stream. But every single day, like I said, we are on an open market. So every single day, be it a public holiday, a weekend, Lena is always, always, always live. Okay, so thank you very much. We belong to the light, we belong to the thunder. We belong to the sound of the world. Whatever we deny or regrets, we belong, we belong. Okay, for the platform, that is a pocket option. Okay. Turning back when we sing. We belong to the sound of the world. Okay, so those are the profits. Let me withdraw um Kimberly's profits to your wallets. Okay. Mm, okay, Bitcoin wallets. Okay. Next is Thaddeus 350 USD one attempt. Okay. Mhm. We belong to the Lord. We belong. Whatever we deny your regrets. We belong. 350 USD. We belong to the Father. We belong to the sound of the Lord. Okay. Never will deny your regret. All right. So Thaddeus over here, and then Nokia. Okay. Boy, make me believe. Oof. Okay, for our first attempt, I've made a loss. See where this thing goes. So I'm going to give it a second try, and we see. Maybe we won't. See where this thing goes. Okay, let's go. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Thaddeus flies away with a prophet. Look at that. Okay. Congratulations to Thaddeus as well. He requested for one attempt. Okay. I'm sorry tonight. Ethereum wallet for Thaddeus. Okay. Let's go Nokia 500 USD. 3 attempts. Okay. Okay, hi Prosperous over there. How are you doing? It has been a while. Please send in the question. Let me see. Okay, so we are looking at 3 attempts for Nokia. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. That is for our first attempt for Nokia. We have 2 more to go. Know your story. Mm. When you want it the most, there's no easy way. Let's have it. Let's have it. Of course, Nakia will be the close for the donations for today. So let us live with profits. Okay, so 1 more to go. We started with profits. Let us close with a profit. Okay. Together. In the same of life. When you want the most, when you're ready to go, don't give up on your faith. Love comes to you soon, and that's the way it is. With no tomorrow. I'm seeing a trail. What's happening? I don't know. Nothing. Okay, so what is going on Right now, we are in a donation time. That is when people send in their money, or what I call, or what we call donations, and I trade for them live. I stream for 2 hours. So the first hour is for my personal trading. That is where we have a lot of engagements. We asking here and there. Oof, okay, let me first have this. Look at that. Look at that. Love comes to those who believe it. And that's the way it is. Congratulations to each and every one of you who sent in their donations today. We have all successfully gone away with a profit. Okay. It is amazing. It is so amazing. I'm so full of joy, happiness, love, a lot of emotions here and there. Definitely do not bring those emotions in trading, but after the trading, emotions are all over. But of course, they are happy ones. So, congratulations, to each and every one of you who sent in your donations today. We thank God that each one of us has actually managed to go away with a profit. Always, it is a pleasure to be of service to you, my beautiful people, my beautiful viewers. It is always exciting to be here, to have you around. Okay, thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you very, very much. Okay, so that. All right, so like I told you, we started on a beautiful note. We are closing on a beautiful note. Thank you for sticking around. Thank you for the love, for the support. Too much love from Lena over there. That concludes our stream today, our session for today. Stay blessed. I will see you tomorrow. Bye bye. I will catch you tomorrow.